Today we're going to be sharing an easy and delicious almond cookie recipe. For this recipe, you'll need 4 ounces of almond paste, grated or chopped into cubes, 4 ounces of white granulated sugar, 2 large egg whites, 5 ounces of all-purpose flour, you can also use almond flour, sliced or shaved almonds, and powdered sugar for dusting. Now we're going to go ahead and whip our egg whites, and we want to whip them until stiff peaks. So we're going to place them into our mixer, and now we're going to start whipping. You want to make sure that your egg whites reach stiff peaks, and you can place this aside. Next, we're going to be using a paddle attachment to cream our almond paste and our sugar. Next, we're going to fold our egg whites into our mix. Lastly, we're going to gradually add our flour and fold this into our batter as well. Now that our cookie dough is ready, we're gonna place some saran wrap over our bowl, and we're gonna put this into the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. Our cookie dough is sitting in the fridge for a few minutes, so now it's a little more solid and easier to work with. Now we're gonna be using an ice cream scoop to scoop our cookies. So you wanna just go ahead and scoop it out, and then we're just gonna place it in our almonds. And you want to go ahead and just roll it around in your almonds. And now we're just going to transfer it right over to a cookie sheet. Our oven is now preheating to 325. And now we're just going to go ahead and repeat these steps until our cookie sheet is full. And now we're going to place these into the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Our cookies have cooled, and now to finish them off, we're just going to dust them with a little bit of powdered sugar. And these cookies are so nice and chewy.